Quick math magic. Let's expand a plus b whole square formula. Step 1. Rewrite it as a plus b times a plus b. Now multiply every term. First, a times equals a squared. Next, multiply second term, a times b equals a b. Then, multiply third term, b times a equals bm, another ab. Multiply last term. Finally, b times b equals b squared. Combine. Put them together, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Simplify. Combine the middle. ab plus ab equals 2ab. So, a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Square the ends, double the middle. That's the trick. Love that? Like and subscribe for more quick math tricks.